Hi everybody, it's Miss Brooks, and here I am with a little short tutorial on how to make your presentation in PearDeck. Okay, so first of all, you're in PearDeck, and we're going to go right here to create a presentation. All right, so now you're going to see right here they have your first slide for you, your first and only slide. All right, well, we don't like that slide, we don't want to use that. So we're going to create a new slide right there. And you get to pick out whichever one you want. I like this one for the beginning. And then we're going to go up here. We're going to select that and we're going to delete it. Okay, you can use that box, or excuse me, that X, or you can also use the delete key on your keyboard. So anyways, now we've got a nice clean blank slate. And what you want to do is you're going to add your title, you're going to add your text or a picture. This can be a short little description. It can be a nice grab line. Okay. Now, something you can do here is you to design, add a design. I mean, like, let's say you like this one. Okay. Now, let's say you're not crazy about this particular way it's done. Well, over on the right-hand side, there are going to be several options that you can go through. And like this one, there's this one, there's this one. Okay. Over on the right-hand side is where you're going to find these. Personally, I like this one. Okay, so you're going to add whatever you want to add, your writing or your picture or both. And then you're going to go to Home. And here you find New Slide again. Okay, you're going to add your next slide. Okay, let's say we like comparison. Okay, so we're going to do that one. Right, and then again, add your text, add text, whatever. Now, just by the way, when you're here, you can do some cool things, like you can change the color of the font. Like, all right, so we've got it red. All right, now also do background and you can do a solid fill. Okay, if you want to just do colors, this actually opens up a box with the different colors. Okay, so now you've got now you've got another color on there. Say you don't like that after all. And let's go with this one. Okay, that's pretty. All right, so you've got your two slides. Now just keep on doing this, adding new slides however you like them. And then when you're finished, you're going to go over to the right-hand side on the menu bar. There's a button that says Share. You're going to click Share, and then you're going to put my email in right there. You're going to click Send. Okay? And then you're done. So, yay! Congratulations! You just made a presentation. All right. I hope you have a lot of fun with this. See you later. Bye.